guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm gonna do a review on a Amazon waiver that I got. So here it is. So this is the hair waiver. I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works and how it looks on both wavy hair and straight hair. So I can open the package, show you guys. Alright, so it comes with a glove, and it also comes with 2 clips as well, and some instructions. And here we have the actual hair waiver. So this is how it looks like. There's the front, the back, the inside. If you can see, this is how it looks like. Here's the cord. Alright, and if you didn't see this part, you can see details. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah. So I've plugged it in, and to press on, you just press the on button here, and let's see, it's at 34. It's going up right now. I'm gonna set it to, set it to 320. Actually, yeah, let's do 320 because I usually do 320. So right now it's at 79. It's actually going up pretty fast. If you look, it goes up pretty fast. It's all warmed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. If you can't tell, my hair is already pretty wavy. This is my natural waves. My hair was like really long right down here, and the longer it gets, the straighter it gets naturally. So because I've cut my hair, it's already getting kind of curly, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. So I'm just gonna grab a few pieces of my hair. Alright, so if you can see the curls, this is how it looks when it's waved. Alright, so if you can tell the difference, this is the wave I just did, and over here you can tell it's kind of has that natural wave on this side, and this, it creates like an actual like beach wave. So I love this, so I don't have to use my straightener anymore. I can just use this, it's so much faster. Let me do this. There you go. So you can tell right here. So I've just straightened this part of my hair, so it's not wavy anymore. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks on straight hair. Alright, so here is the waves. If you could tell, I feel like if I put more heat on there, or if I left it longer, it would be more wavy. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna put a little bit more heat on there. Let's put up to 360, and I'm gonna leave it on for longer. Alright, so it's a little bit more wavy. Can you tell how wavy it is? So, so this is the side I did with my natural waves, and this one is the one where I straightened. So it might be, so obviously because my hair was really wavy, it creates more volume wave. But I think the reason why this one isn't as wavy is because right before I wave it, I use the hair straightener, so it's not as wavy. Right, So that is how the waver looks, and that is how it works. Obviously it's my first time using this kind of waver, so let me try to flip it. Right, so that is how it works. It actually looks pretty much the same as this side, but it just on camera you can't really tell, but it's not much of a difference. Let me see if this video is better for you guys. Yeah, it's not much of a difference. It works really well. The heat is super high and it gets high so fast. And I love the little clips that comes with it. I didn't use it in this video, but I usually do use those little clips because I have a lot of hair, so it just gets in the way. But first time trying it, it's obviously high quality and it works super great. The hair waver also has 14 temperatures, and the outside of the plate has like a cooling effect, so it won't really burn easily. So that's also some of the features that I think is really cool. So I've linked the hair waver in my description, so if you guys want to check it out, like I said, it's from Amazon. Do check it out. I forgot how much it is, but I will let you know in the description. So I just wanted this to be a short review. I didn't want it to be super long, so that's all I have for you guys today. I'm hoping to update with more videos, but I'm focusing on other stuff right now. I don't know yet if I'm gonna update my channel like I used to, but thank you those who've been subscribed. If you want to follow me on more on like fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, you can check out my Instagram. I'm usually more active on my Instagram. I just started posting on it again after like about a month break, but I'm starting to post on there. I've been active on stories, so be sure to check me out, and bye.